Hello, my name is Jibo Sanyal and I'm a research staff at the Oak Ridge National Laboratory. I work on sensors and controls lately, but I've worked a lot on large-scale data and supercomputing, focusing on simulations and understanding what simulations can do for us.
So I'm Joshua New at Oak Ridge National Laboratory, and I work in the Building Technology Research Integration Center, where we work on making the U.S. buildings more energy efficient.
I did not quite expect how difficult it would be to understand and evaluate a value proposition, even come up with one, and put ourselves in the customer's shoes to see how they would see a technology that we probably really love. So that was something that was very interesting and very heartening to learn about.
There was one where, if we look over the history of our 75 interviews, I'd say we got to about 7 or 8 questions per 30-minute interview. One of the most interesting ones was an engineer who was very succinct, and we were able to cover 17 questions. So we got a lot out of validating or invalidating our hypotheses as part of that interview.
The most surprising thing about the LabCore interview process particularly was how people are willing to share what they know. On the whole, we had over a 95% response rate to our emails. And so people were responding to the emails I was sending. And also in our interviews, when we asked for numbers, and if we asked them politely in the right way, they were so willing to share that with us. We always qualified it with that disclaimer that, hey, if it's business sensitive, please feel free to say no. But they were generally so forthcoming in sharing practices, how things work in their company, how things work in the industry. And so on the whole, that was, I think, the most surprising part.